Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me. Who's a pretty fox then?
It was Ferdy Fox's birthday, and he was feeling very jolly. When he saw a parcel from Auntie Flo, he was even jollier.
Happy birthday to... Wonder what this is?
He said to himself. It was a lovely big piece of cheese.
Who's that?
It was Boris the Lion with a birthday card. Happy birthday, Ferdy, old fox. Thank you, Boris. Do come and join me for some breakfast. Boris said he would be more than delighted.
Come and have a seat on the patio and take a look at this wonderful.
But the cheese had gone.
Mice! Blighters are always after cheese. Probably that Monty chap must be around here somewhere. No chance. He must have scampered off. Right, said Boris. Then we'll pay him a visit. Come on out. We know you're in there, you little cheese pincher, said Boris.
I beg your pardon, do you want something? Said Monty, who was a bit scared of lions.
Want something? I should say we do. We want that lump of birthday present cheese back, Sonny.
Well, why don't you go and ask Becky Bird, then? She's sitting up on top of that tree with your cheese in her mouth, beak.
Well, why didn't you say so?
Boris felt rotten accusing Monty of stealing the cheese.
Sorry about that, Sunshine. Oi! Drop that cheese immediately, do you hear?
Becky was busy trying to fly off, but the cheese was so heavy that she couldn't move. So she didn't.
I think we've had our chips, or rather our cheese, I should say.
But Boris had a plan. He found some old boxes and piled them up underneath the tree.
Right then, me old cock sparrow. Here I come. Right. Gotcha now, my friend.
Oh. Becky Bird couldn't help giggling as Boris disappeared under the pile of boxes. That giggling gave Ferdy an idea.
Well, Miss Becky Bird, I've got to admit you've beaten us. Fair dues. But then look at you. You're so pretty, so charming, and I've heard you've got a voice as pretty as a nightingale. There's just one thing I wish you'd do before we go. Will you just sing us one of your beautiful songs, because I know that your voice is as lovely as the rest of you.
Becky Bird could not resist Ferdy's compliments.
Thank you for the cheese, Becky. And by the way, love the singing. Come on, Boris. Lunchtime. You see, Boris, the trouble with that Miss Becky Bird is that she looks pretty, sings beautifully, but her head's so full of her own importance, there's no room left for common sense. A wee bit more cheese, Monty.